you're going to be sorely disappointed, because if clickbait was an amendment, this is it. Okay, I cannot believe it.
That's right. Justin Baldoni versus Blake Lively, the case that keeps on giving. New evidence is sinking Blake Lively's.
The battle between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni is escalating. They co-star in the recent movie It Ends With Us. This seems to never end, which he directed and she produced. Now, she claims he harassed her on set. He denies it. In a newly revised court complaint, Lively claims other women also felt uncomfortable around Justin Baldoni.
Candace Owens, the controversial political commentator, claims Blake Lively's ongoing court trial is actually harming women. What started as a private legal dispute has exploded into a high-profile scandal, pulling in celebrities, exposing hidden agendas, and igniting the internet. With shocking revelations and heated debates, this case has taken a dramatic turn, leaving many questioning its true impact. Buckle up, because this wild ride is far from over. Let's break down the chaos and uncover the real story.
Justin Baldoni's lawyers have now leaked the official footage of her alleged sexual harassment, and I now need this to go to trial. So the story goes, essentially, he says she didn't even read the book before signing on to the project. Then she read the book and kind of became consumed with it, and wanted to basically introduce her own lines and wanted to become a part of the project and rework the script. So she submitted to him her ideas for how to rework the script, and apparently he gave her feedback, essentially saying, like, you know, I really love how passionate you are about this project. Maybe we'll take some of these ideas, but like, obviously we're not going to take all these ideas because it's our project. And this was not good for Blake.
Balake.
She said, no, this does not work for me. I am Blake Lively. I have my children are the godchildren of Taylor Swift. We get what we want in life, and right now I want your movie. Then he provides Blake Lively's response, and she actually wrote this, guys. She wrote this. This is her text message back to Justin Baldoni. She wrote, "If you ever get around to watching Game of Thrones, you'll appreciate that I'm Khaleesi. And like her, I happen to have a few dragons. For better or worse, but usually for better. Because my dragons also protect those that I fight for. So really, we all benefit from those gorgeous monsters of mine. You will too, I can promise." Little smiley face. I'm so scared.
But as you can see from this thumbnail photo right here, it is a video that has emerged of paparazzi snagging Blake Lively getting a load of Justin Baldoni's lip. That's right, she bites his lip. Now, why is this a big deal? Normally, it wouldn't be. Sure, they're making out. Well, one of Blake Lively's big claims in her harassment suit against Justin Baldoni is that he bit her lip and it wasn't approved. Well, what's to say that her biting his lip was approved?
Blake Lively has been entangled in a bitter legal battle for months, with accusations flying from all sides. Insiders reveal the case involves allegations of defamation, harassment, and even intentional infliction of emotional distress. The drama continues to unfold, sparking intense debates and drawing widespread attention.
In a newly revised court complaint, Lively claims other women also felt uncomfortable around Justin Baldoni.
On Wednesday, Baldoni's lawyer slammed the appearance in a statement, saying, quote, "Our clients have taken this matter and these issues very seriously, notwithstanding the jokes made publicly by the plaintiff and her husband." In December, Lively first accused Baldoni of the alleged on-set abuse and then orchestrating a smear campaign against her.
I was recently name-checked in Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds' recent filing against Justin Baldoni in Wayfarer Studios. I did it. I made it. I can now retire. All of the haters out there who doubted me are now asking for forgiveness. And I just want to say thank you to all of you who believed in me, who believed in us, who knew that this day would come.
Things just took a shocking turn. Candace Owens has reportedly been introduced as a key witness in Blake Lively's trial. Some sources say she holds crucial evidence that could change everything, while others claim she's being forced to testify against her will. Either way, the courtroom drama is at an all-time high, and this case is only getting more intense.
I have to say, first of all, I listened to her whole theory earlier today, and I have to say, one of the things that I find so amusing about this, as Candace Owens says herself as well, is like, she is supporting this feminist guy with a man bun and like a self-proclaimed woke man, and she is supporting him and promoting him. And I think that's really funny. And I think in a sense, you know, today when there's so much tension in the political landscape. And as we know, Candace Owens is very conservative. I think it's great that, you know, she can have this kind of outreach to both conservatives and liberals. Because I think people are really starting to agree that Justin Baldoni is not the bad guy here. And I think it's lovely that, you know, you can put your political differences aside and agree on something. So maybe that's the little silver lining here.
Candace Owens, the provocative political commentator, has released a slew of Instagram stories detailing everything going down in the world of Justin Baldoni versus Blake Lively. And the main thesis behind the Instagram stories, which I'm about to share with you, is that Ryan Reynolds may be pulling the strings behind the scenes.
Though unverified, these claims have ignited a wildfire of online speculation. Some fans defend Blake, believing she's being unfairly targeted, while others suspect a deeper Hollywood conspiracy. But the real question remains, why is Candace Owens involved in this case at all? Is there more to the story? Let's dig deeper and uncover the truth.
100% Ryan was the one who put this line in here. Not SNL, not Tina Fey, not Blake Lively, but Ryan. And sure enough, some amazing mommy sleuth sends me a link yesterday.
If you are neutral in situations of injustice, you have chosen the side of the oppressor. Having said all of that, it should be apparent that I am on the side of the oppressed, Justin Baldoni. But now, a new kerfuffle is getting a lot of attention.
Now let's dive into the juicy details. Candace Owens has reportedly presented evidence that Blake Lively's trial is harming women, especially those in entertainment. Inside sources claim this proof includes leaked emails, text messages, and eyewitness testimonies, allegedly revealing the trial's damaging impact on women's professional lives. Controversy is only growing.
Here's how it starts. She released this on Thursday evening. No show today. We're working on our Macron piece, but I've received some interesting, very information for those of us who are interested in the Justin Baldoni versus Blake Lively debacle. Yesterday, I received a tip from someone who allegedly worked on the set of It Ends With Us. Lately, everyone is bashing Blake Lively, but apparently the true villain in this saga is Ryan Reynolds. All right. This person is alleging that everything started when Ryan Reynolds decided to stroll onto the movie set one day and review the dailies. This is an industry term for all the footage that they filmed for that day. I learned this 5 minutes ago. Ryan Reynolds, decided to take a look at the script, and between the two, something allegedly set him off. This person claims, and I cannot verify, that the production assistants then overheard Ryan and Blake having an argument in her trailer. And I wonder why she can't verify. I mean, it's like you don't have to share their names, but you couldn't get any proof that this person was legit. Ryan Reynolds started being on the set on a regular basis as if he were her chaperone. And that is when he started inserting himself into the actual production, including writing lines, anonymous source.
Here's the twist. Not everyone is buying Candace Owens' claims. Some insiders believe she's exaggerating the trial's impact to gain attention and push her political agenda. Others argue her evidence is legitimate, and that this case does have serious consequences for women in Hollywood. So, is Candace uncovering a hidden truth, or is she crafting a narrative for clicks? Let's take a closer look at the controversy.
We've got updates from Candace Owens. That's right. She's got sources claiming WME was strong-armed by Ryan Reynolds. She's really going on a crusade against Ryan Reynolds. She says she has sources in the family. Whether that's true, we're not sure. But she's discussing the fact that William Morris Endeavor, who dropped Justin Baldoni and publicly said it wasn't because of Ryan Reynolds, well, now Candace is saying, no, it was because of Ryan Reynolds. Here's what happened.
A-list friends. I'm friends with Taylor Swift. I am friends with Hugh Jackman. I'm the person that plays Deadpool. And that is when this person was a strong contact. So this isn't like a little bit of tea. This is like, I felt good receiving this information from another person who said that it was Ryan Reynolds who marched into WME, okay, which is Endeavor. It's also called Endeavor. It is the biggest talent agency in the world. Every celebrity is under there, from Taylor Swift to Justin Baldoni and said, it's us or it's him. Like, you're going to drop Justin Baldoni or you're going to lose all of us. And I obviously that has a little bit of weight at Endeavor if you're friends with Taylor Swift. So here's the article of what happened next. You can see Justin Baldoni gets dropped from WME in wake of Blake Lively's sexual harassment allegations. That person is telling me that it was 100% Ryan that orchestrated that dropping, and it was an ultimatum that he delivered to their door. So Ryan felt like he won. He had Justin Baldoni, as we showed you, in the basement at his own premiere event, even though it was his movie that his production company brought the rights from. Justin Baldoni in a basement with his wife and his family, celebrating it next to Dasani water, making the best of it.
Blake Lively, known for her elegance and pristine public image, is at the center of a legal battle that has spiraled into a full-blown scandal. What started as a private dispute has now dragged in celebrities, exposed hidden agendas, and set the internet ablaze. And now, controversial political commentator Candace Owens has entered the mix, claiming that this trial is actually harming women. Yes, you heard that right. According to Owens, the case has much deeper implications than anyone initially thought. But what exactly is this trial about? According to insiders, Blake Lively has been embroiled in a bitter legal battle for months, with accusations flying in every direction. The lawsuit involves allegations of defamation, harassment, and even claims of intentional infliction of emotional distress. While details remain murky, sources suggest that the case is far more complex than it appears on the surface. And now, with Candace Owens stepping in, things have taken an even more dramatic turn. Reports claim that Owens has been introduced as a key witness in the trial. Some sources say she possesses crucial evidence that could change everything, while others argue she's being forced to testify against her will. Regardless of the truth, her involvement has intensified public interest, and the courtroom has never been more chaotic. Though unverified, these claims have sparked a firestorm of speculation online. Some fans are standing by Blake, arguing that she's being unfairly targeted. Others believe there's more to the story, perhaps even a deeper Hollywood-wide conspiracy at play. But the real question remains, why is Candace Owens getting involved in the first place? Owens has reportedly brought forward what she claims is undeniable proof that this trial is negatively impacting women, particularly those in the entertainment industry. According to inside sources, her evidence includes leaked emails, text messages, and even eyewitness testimonies that allegedly demonstrate the far-reaching consequences of this legal battle. True, this could change the entire conversation surrounding the case, but here's the twist. Not everyone is convinced. Some insiders believe Owens is exaggerating the trial's impact to gain attention and push her own political agenda. Others insist that her claims are legitimate and that this case could set a dangerous precedent for women in Hollywood. So, is she uncovering a hidden truth, or is this just another case of media manipulation? To understand the full picture, it's important to rewind and look at Blake Lively's past. Known for her grace and seemingly controversy-free career, she has largely avoided scandals, until now. However, some sources allege that behind closed doors, Blake hasn't always been the angelic figure she portrays. Reports suggest she has faced accusations of mistreating hotel staff, damaging property, and engaging in behind-the-scenes feuds with other celebrities. Even more shocking are whispers that she has worked behind the scenes to control industry narratives, silence critics, and manipulate media portrayals in her favor. Meanwhile, another Hollywood figure has been dragged into the controversy: actor and director Justin Baldoni.